Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, now I want to make a video demonstration about the defender. But this defender is Year of Elephant version. Let's start the game. In this game, you can choose the 3 level. There is a easy, medium, and hard. I will play the easy one. In this game, the mission is a short fire to the enemy. In this game, to have a boss. The boss. Nah, I will play the game. If you kill the boss, you will win. But if your life is 0, you will lose like this. I will wait until my life is 0. I just waiting and waiting. 4, 3, 13, 12, 13. Now, if the boss typing apa, the score will minus 3, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. This is the last enemy. If you lose the background, if will like this. Okay, thank you guys for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.